Welcome to this detailed guide on importing and exporting your WordPress posts and articles. In this tutorial, you will be walked through each step with clear instructions to ensure you complete the process without any difficulties. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. To start, simply open your preferred web browser and go directly to WordPress. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you will find a login link that you need to click. It is important to note that WordPress organizes its layout so that the login button is positioned in a prominent area, making it easy for users to access their accounts. After you click the login link, the next stage requires you to authenticate your identity. WordPress offers multiple methods for logging in, and for this tutorial you are advised to take advantage of the ease and security provided by using your Google account. Once you choose to continue with Google, a new window appears prompting you to select the appropriate Google account. Simply click on your preferred account and the authentication process will handle the rest. This method of logging in streamlines your experience and reduces the hassle often associated with entering credentials manually. Once you have successfully logged in, it is time to access some of the management tools that WordPress offers. Direct your attention to the navigation menu and locate the Tools option. Clicking on Tools brings you to a section where various functions designed to help you manage your site are readily available. Among these functions, you will find the option to import data, which is critical for transferring your posts and articles from one source to another. After selecting Tools, proceed by clicking on the option labeled Import. When you choose Import, WordPress guides you towards the content that can be transferred to your site. For this tutorial, your focus should be on importing posts and articles from a WordPress source. This implies that you need to click on the WordPress Import option provided on the page. This action specifies that the content you are looking to transfer is indeed coming from a WordPress platform, ensuring a smoother process. Following this, you will encounter a prompt that offers you an option regarding the extent of the migration. In this step, choose the option that says Import Content Only. By selecting Import Content Only, you indicate that you wish to bring the articles or posts without any additional data into your WordPress site. This particular method is ideal for those who want to keep the migration straightforward and focused solely on posts and articles. Finally, attention returns to the import interface where you are given the choice to upload your WordPress export file. Here, you can either drag and drop your file onto the designated area, or alternatively, you can click on the area to open a file browser and manually select the file from your computer. This step is integral to the process as it allows the prepared file containing your WordPress content to be transferred into the system. By following these instructions, you have now successfully navigated through the process of importing your WordPress posts and articles. The clear sequence of actions ensures that your website's content is migrated accurately and efficiently, allowing you to focus on further developing your online presence with confidence. Enjoy the convenience and control that comes with managing your WordPress content seamlessly.